Hello, my name is Patrick Jamison, and today we're going to install the Wingard aluminum French door. In this video, we're going to unpackage the components and show you some of the tools that you're going to need for this installation. Here are the handles, the frame, and some of the tools that you're going to need for this installation. Some of those tools are your cordless screwdrivers, both impact and standard, a mallet, a laser level, a 25-foot tape measure, different size screwdrivers, and your different levels. Inside this package is everything you're going to need to install this frame. Now let's cut the wrapping off the frame. After unpackaging the frame, here are the components. Our bag of assembly screws, our assembly instructions, our threshold, our left and right jambs, our frame header, drip cap, screw covers, threshold cover, and installation plates. So to recap this video, we unpackaged our door, made sure all the components were accounted for, and showed you some of the tools that you're going to need. In the next video, we're going to assemble the frame.